Mathematical operators. There's two types. We don't really need to know this, but let's just talk about it. Okay. There's the unary operator, and there is a binary operator. Binary operator. Okay, what am I talking about? Operator. Okay, let me just put some circles around here because I want you to think of this as a machine. Okay, when you talk about an operator, it is a machine. Okay, you input something. Now this is a unary, it means one. So it's a machine. So you take one input, x, and you output y. And that's it. And I'll give you some examples of unary functions or unary operators, okay, or functions. Sine of x, cosine of x. Let me think. Let's go. Nah, I don't want to put x squared. Let's really go exponential. E to the x. How about ABS, absolute value of x? Or there's a log function, or there's some other ones that you might not have heard of, like an error function. Okay, they all take in one input. See, one input here, output becomes y. You call this thing y. Y equals sine. Okay, so that's what it does. You put the x in here. It says sine of the x and outputs it. That's it. Binary operators are things that you kind of already know, but binary means two. Let me write it in blue. Whoopsie. Let me write it in blue here. So two things go in there. So now we're going to write down x and, I don't know, z, let's say, go into the function and 1 comes out. Okay, so this becomes a little more difficult because now we have to ask which one do we do first. Okay, and I'll give you examples of binary operators, things you already know. Plus, minus, divided by, multiplied, exponential, like x to the power of z. Okay, so these are binary operators, things that you learnt first, but actually the more complicated ones because they require two inputs. So if I put these things beside each other, how would I know which one to do first? I'll give you an example of that. So here, let's put down 2 sine of 40. Okay? Versus, I can add some stuff here. It doesn't matter. Let's go cosine of 15. Okay? Versus, let's say, 2 plus 40 times 15. Okay? So in this, now I think we all, but it doesn't matter which one we do first. If we do cosine 15 first, it just makes one output. This is one thing. So cosine 15, you get a number. So it's exchangeable with that number. Same with sine of 40. So I can just put sine of 40 in here. 0.64278. Okay? So it doesn't matter which ones I do first. They're all going to get multiplied. Doesn't matter. Here, though, it does matter. Do I do 2 plus 40 first? Or do I do 40 times 15? And this is what we're going to talk about. So this is where the BEDMAS system comes from, and we'll be talking about that extensively, where we're going to do brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so we'll do the multiplication first. So this would become 40 times 15, 600, plus 2, so we get 602.